Welcome to RevitalyzeMD, our YouTube channel. If you want to look better or feel better or function better, then you've arrived at the right channel. And you may actually have fun watching it too. We have two podcasts. One is RevitalyzeMD, and that is our wellness and aesthetics podcast. By wellness, we're talking about IVs, cellular function, how to function better, detox, and feel more energized in lots of different ways. As far as aesthetics, we have entry-level stuff like Botox, helps with wrinkles in the face, fillers, but we do a lot of regenerative procedures, talking about lasers and resurfacing, how to define the jawline, more advanced filler techniques, threads, all kinds of very interesting topics. Then we also have a RevMD podcast, which is our sexual wellness podcast. And if you've never heard of sexual wellness, don't be surprised, because many haven't, and a lot of physicians haven't either. Basically, we're talking about how to function better sexually as we get older. So if it's men, harder erections; if it's women, better orgasmic strength, less vaginal dryness, tightness, things that change with age that we can improve now. And there's so many solutions, and we want to bring those to you. Again, our podcast videos, wellness and aesthetics every other Monday, and sexual wellness every other Friday. But we have content videos, so you can see information about procedures. You can see the whole procedure from beginning to end. And we also have Meet the Staff. You can see our staff in action. You get to know and learn the office and the staff and educate on different procedures, and then see our podcast videos. There's all kinds of different options. And if you want to know anything else, just let us know, because we're willing to deep dive into anything wellness, aesthetics, or sexual wellness, and educate you on how to look, feel, and function better.